What's another lifestyle change I can make today that will help the most? Leading a sedentary life with minimal physical activity elevates your risk of death as significantly as, if not more than, smoking, high blood pressure, and heart disease. A comprehensive analysis of studies focusing on individuals aged 54 to 65 reveals a startling statistic. Binge watching TV for more than 4 hours a day increases your likelihood of developing blood clots in the thigh and lower leg by 35%. Embrace movement. Your life depends on it. Is that all I need for exercise? A long walk? Well, yes and no. Undoubtedly, research underscores that moderate activities like walking offer remarkable health benefits. However, sticking to the same routine day in and day out, while beneficial, may not be the most effective approach. Incorporating diverse activities, especially as you age, can push your body to new fitness levels, enhance overall health, and reduce the risk of injury. Mix weight training, swimming, biking, and yoga. Such variety not only keeps exercise engaging, but also ensures your body is challenged in different ways, fostering better overall fitness and resilience. So while a daily walk is a great start, broadening your exercise horizons can lead to even greater rewards. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share if you feel like it.